Place the machine horizontally and install the brush plates. Unfold the operating handle and remove the battery compartment cover. Take out the power connection plug. Align the slot and insert the power plug. Install the battery compartment cover. Charge the machine before use. Add cleaning agent into the freshwater tank before using the machine. Add defoaming agent into the sewage tank. Add clean water. Voltage display switch. Brush plate switch. Water spraying switch. Water suction switch. Demonstration of cleaning effect. After using the machine, remove the sewage tank and empty the wastewater. Clean the dirt from the filter screen of the sewage tank promptly after using the machine.